Look at this video.
In the neon shadows of Eternum, Kyle Rourke searches for the city's floor. Above the city,
It looks like a Hollywood cinematic film, right? But here's the crazy part. This entire video was created with zero budget, free AI tools, and in less than 20 minutes. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to create the exact same thing, even in bulk. Today, I'm going to show you a viral AI workflow that creates Hollywood-style cinematic videos completely free with consistent characters in every scene. I tested many AI automation systems over the past few weeks, but this is the best free pipeline I've found, and it works even if you've never made a video before. This is a step-by-step beginner-friendly guide that shows you how to create a cinematic AI story. Step 1. Create the story and scene prompts with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and start a new conversation. Now, paste the prompt that generates a cinematic story with locked characters and multiple scenes. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a full cinematic story with characters, style, and structured scenes. Next, paste the second prompt in the same chat. This prompt converts the story into detailed scene image prompts. Copy all the prompts because we will use them in the next step. Step 2. Generate consistent images with AutoISK and Google Whisk. In this step, we create all scene images with perfect consistency. That means the same characters, same costumes, and the same cinematic style in every frame. First, search on Google for AutoISK automation for Google Whisk. Install the extension from the Chrome store and pin it to your browser. Then, click the AutoISK icon and select version 2. Before generating all images, we need to create 2 character reference images. This is the secret to keeping characters consistent. Go back to ChatGPT and paste the character prompt. Now, open Google Whisk in a new tab. Paste the prompt for character 1 and generate the image. This image will be your character reference. Save it and drag it into the subject box on the left. Repeat the same process for character 2. Next, we lock the visual style. Go back to ChatGPT and paste the style prompt. Generate the style image in Whisk and drag it into the style box. Enable the style checkbox and both subject checkboxes. Now open AutoISK, paste all your scene prompts and click Start. Choose Run on this project so it uses your characters and style. AutoISK will now automatically generate every scene image and download them into a numbered folder. This process takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Step 3. Turn images into videos with Grok AI automation. Now we turn those images into animated video clips automatically. For this, we use the Grok AI automation extension. Search on Google for Automate Grok AI extension and install it. Pin it to your toolbar. Next, open Grok AI, click the automation extension icon, and it will open a control panel. You'll see 4 generation modes. Select Frame to Video. Now adjust 2 settings. Concurrent prompts, keep default. Prompt delay, set to 10 to 15 seconds to avoid generation errors. Next, we need animation prompts. Go back to ChatGPT and paste the animation prompt. It will generate short cinematic directions, like camera slowly pushes in as the detective walks through the rain. Now, open your AutoISK download folder. Your images are already numbered by scene. Drag all scene images into the Frame to Video upload section. Then paste the animation prompts in the same order. Set these settings before running. Aspect ratio 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Shorts. Output videos 1 per prompt. Duration 6 seconds. Auto download enabled. Quality 720p or higher. Now click Run. The extension will automatically generate each video scene one by one. Because we are using the same reference images, every video will have consistent characters and style. This process usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. Step 4. Create the cinematic voiceover. While the videos are generating, we can create the narration. Go back to ChatGPT and paste the narration prompt. When ChatGPT asks for the story, paste your full cinematic story. It will generate a short narration script for each scene. Next, open 11 Labs and create a free account. The free plan gives 10,000 characters every month. Paste the text-to-speech script into the text-to-speech box. Choose a cinematic voice like Adam or True Crime style. Generate the audio and download the voiceover file. Step 5. Edit everything in CapCut. Now we combine everything in CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all your video clips and the narration audio. Drag the voiceover to the timeline first. Then place each video clip above the audio to match the scene. Since the clips are already numbered, this step is quick. Add simple transitions like fade or dissolve to make it look cinematic. Next, add auto captions. Go to Text, add Auto Captions, and let CapCut generate subtitles. Choose a bold caption style for better visibility. Then add background music. Search for cinematic or orchestral music and lower the volume to around 20%. Finally, click Export and render the video in 1080p. And that's it! You just created a full cinematic AI story using 5 simple steps and completely free tools. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Passive Income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.